Yo, what it is, people, is getting back in the booth. Here I'm about to show you NBA 2K11 trailer. I just want to say that, how can I say it? The game looks very similar to last year's game. You know, the graphics look a little bit better, but the game looks very similar. Now, it's either a good or a bad thing with you because, honestly, 2K is the best basketball game on the market each and every year. So, who knows if that's going to if that's ever going to become a Madden thing where it's going to be the same game every year. But who knows if they fixed anything, like any of the glitches. But anyway, here's the trailer. Looks good. You know, looks like last year's game. You know, so here we go. They included some new things like, you know, the Euro step and all that. But so far, you know, the game looks basically the same. Looks good though, regardless. Even if it is last year, it still looks pretty damn good. There's Mike. The Pistons. Euro step right there. You know what? I'm gonna take that back. Look at the movement of the dribble. That's pretty different. The movement of the dribble. That's pretty different. There you have it. NBA 2K11. So yeah, there you have it. Yeah, so far the game looks pretty similar. I know that they're doing different controls where they're simplifying the controls so you can do smoother dribble transitions, and they're not as convoluted as before where you had to hold down the L trigger and R trigger to pull off some of the different moves. So I think they completely remapped the right stick with the dribbling and everything. Hopefully they fix some of the ball morphs, the ball going through the hands. Hopefully they fix the AI. Hopefully the AI plays a lot smarter. I mean, what else? So much can you ask for when they do such a great game each and every year? You know, do I want real-time physics in my basketball game? I don't know. I think the way that 2K has been doing it with the canned animations, first of all, I want to say this. 2K and their canned animations are about 10 times better than EA and their canned animations. The engine for any 2K series of sports, they actually pick the right animations for the right time instead of getting hooked on the same 10 animations that you see every game. You know, 2K, I'll play 2K10 right now and still see like a new animation, or two. 2K does a great job with their canned animation, random system, roll of the dice, whatever. With that being said, do you need real-time physics in a basketball game that does it so well? I'm not too sure. The only reason why I say that is because with real-time physics in a basketball game, you have to really perfect your real-time physics, because you don't want no game that's going to be a basketball game that's, I want to say, and don't take this the wrong way, but like backbreaker. Backbreaker, the game, you have to have collision, because football is a collision sport. Basketball is a contact sport. You don't want people falling down. You don't want the physics to be doing some weird whatever. So that's what I'm saying. You have to perfect it for basketball. Any off physics, it'll mess the whole game up. But regardless, 2K11 looks pretty damn good. Another good year I see for them. They never drop off. They always keep improving as far as I see for the most part. So, I'm looking forward to it. Peace. I'm out. Stepping out.